Now, the practical instrument to see the reflection of light is called mirror. Why we called mirror? Because it is reflection of light, not the reflection of any object. Reflection we can see in any object, but for specific light reflection we have to use mirror. Mirrors are divided into two categories. First of all, first mirror is plane mirror, and second one is spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors are formed. These mirrors are formed from the spherical glass surface. They are formed from the spherical glass surface, and spherical mirrors are classified into two categories. First one is concave mirror, second one is convex mirror. Now, how can we identify it is concave mirror, it is concave convex mirror? First one is concave mirror and second one is convex mirror. Now, first of all, we will go for a concave mirror. In concave mirror, internal surface is reflecting and outer surface is polished with some colors. Because if we do not polish the surface, then it becomes transparent. But to form the mirror, one of the end of the glass surface which is cut from the spherical glass must be polished with any color. Now we will go on a second page. Convex and concave are also differentiate according to their behavior. Concave mirror. With the help of concave mirror, we can get a real and inverted image of an object. With the help of concave mirror, with the help of these mirrors, means concave mirror, we get real and inverted image. Real and inverted image. Now we will see its formation, its figure. Its internal surface is reflecting, outer surface is polished, and the center means center of mirror, the center of mirror is called pole. So if the light rays are coming from any direction, then they are reflected from the internal surface, but there is no work of a outer surface. And the convex mirror, for convex mirror, with the help of these mirror, we can get virtual and erect image. It's a internal surface is polished and outer surface is reflecting. That is the major difference between concave mirror and convex mirror. Now we will go on a second page. If we draw the diagram of convex mirror, then it looks like that. Its outer surface is reflecting, but internal surface is polished. Same is here. The center point of mirror is called pole. So if the light ray coming from any direction, then it is reflected from the outer surface, but it is not reflected from the internal surface. That is the diagram of convex mirror. This video is containing concave and convex mirror content. That's it.